We are now on our final approach and we shall be landing in a few minutes. Please make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Sa loob po lamang ng ilang sandali, tayo po ay lalapag na sa paliparan ng Mactan, Cebu. Siguraduhin po nakakabit ang inyong mga sinturong pangkaligtasan. Maraming salamat po. Hill Landing Station. Mga binibiniginan at Ginoo, kalalapag po lamang natin sa pandaigdigang paliparan ng Mactan, Cebu. Maligayang pagdating dito sa Cebu. Para sa inyong kaligtasan, manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ng inyong mga seatbelts. Maaari po lamang kunin ang mga carry-on baggage kapag ang sasakyan ay ganap ng nakahinto at tayo ay nakarating na sa impilan. Bago po kayo bumaba, tiyakin na nasa inyo na lahat ng inyong kagamitan. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines ni Kapitan Kiev, unang opisyal Hensulin at lahat ng aming mga kasama, ako po ay malugod na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa amin. Inaasahan na muli tayo magkikita sa susunod ninyong paglalakbay. Paalam na po't maligayang pagdating dito sa Mactan, Cebu. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. The fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please do not remove your carry baggage until the aircraft has come to a full stop. Before deplaning, may we remind you to check your seating area for any items you might leave behind. On behalf of Philippine Airlines, Captain Kier, First Officer Hensulin, and the rest of the crew, I would like to thank you all for flying with us. It was indeed a pleasure to have you on board, and we hope to see you again soon in one of your future flights.